Hello grade 10 children, welcome once again to our English lesson. This lesson focuses on unit 14 of your grade 10 textbook. This is the second lesson you are going to study for unit 14. In this lesson, you will be able to practice grammar once again. Let's learn how to use past perfect continuous tense appropriately. Let's start the lesson. Children, first let's try to understand what is meant by past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense indicates a continuous action that was completed at some point in the past. It is used to express a continued or ongoing action that started in the past and continued until some time in the past. Remember, it is not an action that happened at a particular point of time, but an ongoing action in the past which continued for some time in the past. We can state the time duration of the action to show that it happened continuously for some time. However, the time duration does not continue until now. It stops in the past. Let's understand this with a sentence written in past perfect continuous tense. In this sentence, Mr. Pereira had been living in Kandy for 5 years. The duration of time he had been living in Kandy is 5 years. But as we have already discussed, this duration ends before the present. It doesn't continue to the present. Therefore, Mr. Pereira had been living in Kandy for 5 years, but he may not be living there anymore. Let's look at some more examples. Kusum had been waiting for Amila for 1 hour. Meena had been playing chess since 7 o'clock. Look at the first sentence. In this sentence, the past action indicated is waiting. Kusum had been waiting for Amila for 1 hour, but she is not waiting for him now. Look at the second sentence. It says Meena had been playing chess since 7 o'clock. Here the action playing had been continued since 7 o'clock. It had continued for some time, but she is not playing now. She has stopped playing. Let's discuss the structure of a sentence in past perfect continuous tense now. As we have seen in the examples, the structure of the past perfect continuous sentence is like this. Look at this example. Amali had been reading a book since 8 o'clock. You have the subject of the sentence Amali first, followed by the auxiliary verb had been. Next you have the present participle of the main verb. This is the ing form of the main verb reading. After you have the object of the sentence a book, followed by the time reference since 8 o'clock. Hope you can now understand the use and the form of past perfect continuous tense. Okay children, now let's do an activity to practice using past perfect continuous tense. This is activity 3 on page 142 of your textbook. What you have to do is to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in brackets. Remember to use the auxiliary verb have been together with the present participle form of the verb, as all the sentences are in past perfect continuous tense. Pause the video and do it now. Okay children, let's check your answers. The first one is, the boys were covered in mud. They blank play in the field. So how do you fill the blank? You will have to say, the boys were covered in mud. They had been playing in the field. Now the second one. He blank worked too hard before he fell ill. So you will have to fill it like this. he had been working too hard before he fell ill. Third one is, how long blank you blank play when it started raining. So here you have two blanks. So how do you fill those? How long had you been playing when it started raining? Fourth one is, I blank watch TV for half an hour when the lights went out. So what is the answer? I had been watching TV for half an hour when the lights went out. Now look at the last one. I blank read the newspaper every week since last January until this month. So this action of reading the newspaper does not happen anymore. I have stopped doing it. So it's in past perfect continuous tense. So how do you fill the blank? I had been reading the newspaper every week since last January until this month. Hope you got them all correct. Children, now let's do one more activity to practice past perfect continuous tense. Here again you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given within brackets. Pause the video and do it. Let's see how you have done it. The first one is, Jayani blank for a long time when it suddenly began to rain. And within brackets you have two words, not gardening. So you can understand this is a negative sentence. So how do you fill the blanks? Jayani had not been gardening for a long time when it suddenly began to rain. Look at the second one. It's a question. And here you have two blanks. How long blank she blank work in a bank before she went to London? So how do you fill the blanks? How long had she been working in a bank before she went to London? Now the third one. The child got ill because blank play in the rain too long. So the answer should be, the child got ill because he had been playing in the rain too long. Fourth one is, he blank drive less than an hour when he ran out of petrol. So the answer should be, he had been driving less than an hour when he ran out of petrol. Last one is, they were very tired in the evening because they blank work all day. So how do you fill the blank? They were very tired in the evening because they had been working all day. I hope you got all of them correct. Children, now we have come to the end of today's lesson. In this lesson, we learned how to use past perfect continuous tense appropriately. I hope it was useful. Let's meet again with another lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.